Hi everyone, welcome to Reader's World. Let's read along the story Big Wolf and Little Wolf by Sharon Phillips Denslow, illustrated by Cathie Felstead. Late one night, just before the moon disappeared, Big Wolf sat Little Wolf on his knee. "Sing me a good night song, Daddy," Little Wolf said. So Big Wolf sang. Oh, a little wolf sat on a big wolf's knee. Said the little wolf, "Sing a song for me." The big wolf stretched his throat out long and sang Little Wolf this yowly song. I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a big grey wolf. I sleep all day, I sing all night. I snap my teeth in an overbite. I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a big grey wolf. I like to chew, I like to eat. I use my nose to smell my feet. Little Wolf giggled and said, "Sing more, Daddy." So Big Wolf did. I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a big grey wolf. I dig up holes, I scratch up dirt. I howl at the moon in my old nightshirt. I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a big grey wolf. I chase wild ducks, I jump on bugs. I wrestle my son and give him hugs. Little Wolf gave Big Wolf a hug too. Then he said, "Here's a song for you, Daddy." I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a little grey wolf. I like to bounce, I like to play. I chase my tail round and round all day. Suddenly, there was a rustling and a growling in the bushes behind them. "I hear something, Daddy," said Little Wolf. "So do I," said Big Wolf. Then there was a stitching and scratching in the bushes behind them. "I hear a stitching and scratching," said Little Wolf. "So do I," said Big Wolf. Something was in the bushes. "Who's there?" Big Wolf growled. Little Wolf saw two tall ears rise above the bushes. He saw two big eyes and a big shiny nose, and then he heard, "I'm a wolf, I'm a wolf, I'm a big mama wolf. I scare silly wolves, I make them run. I hide in the woods, just having fun." Big Wolf and Little Wolf yowled and ran through the bushes chasing Mama Wolf. Until they all fell down in a happy tumble right in front of their den. "You almost scared me, Mama," said Little Wolf. Mama Wolf kissed his nose. "It's time for bed, Little Wolf," she said. "But first, sing me a good night song," said Little Wolf. So Mama Wolf and Big Wolf did. "We are wolves, we are wolves, we are fine grey wolves. Our sleep is deep, our snores are long, and in our dreams there is one more song. Aroo, aroo, aroo. Good night." The end. Wow, what a cute story of a wolf family. Please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to Reader's World. Have an awesome day.